So I've already cut out some walnuts. These are 6 inches long. What I did was just cut them to where they're a little bit less than 2 inches tall and then 6 inches. Then I cut these ones down so this length is also 6 inches, so we make a square. So next I'm gonna cut out the bottom. And to do that, I will just use this, a little 6-inch piece, and cut out a little square piece. All right, now I'm just gonna glue the sides together. All right, I got my piece all clamped up, got it marked. I measured this about 1.25 inches. All right, so after putting it in that hole, it's pretty much done. I could just finish it right now and it's ready to go. My wife has a Cricut machine, so I'm gonna have her make a little fun sticker there. But other than that, it's ready to go. But I'm a little bit concerned because it's gonna be in the kitchen. I thought I have these little feet that I'm gonna put on here that'll make this a little bit more secure attachment because it's got a little screw. And it'll get it off the countertop a little bit in case there's any kind of water on the counter. That'll keep this from getting all messed up. So I used Danish oil on this piece, and the finish, it was beautiful. But in hindsight, I would have used a spray lacquer instead because the sticker I put on the piece, it didn't stick too well. Lacquer is a super easy way to finish your piece. Just spray on a light coat, let it dry for around 5 minutes, and put on another coat. And then I usually put on a third coat. Hey, if you like this project, don't forget to like and subscribe.